Hi guys, this is Sean here and welcome to this session where I'm going to show you how to create videos. I'll show you guys how I edit. Let me go back and create a new project. I'm just going to focus on the part that I started acting. Okay, so the one that I started acting, I remember I put a new filter. This filter, right? This filter. So you can see I'm quite familiar with the software already because I've been playing around for the past few weeks because I told myself I want to test out this TikTok thing and get to learn it. So every day I posted a video.
Hey brother, what are you doing?
Okay, brother, what are you doing? Okay, see, I'm going to talk already. I know I'm going to talk already. I'm going to split this. Edit here, split. So the front part, I'm going to delete away. Let's delete away the front part. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out all these guys in first. Okay, see, maybe in order to make it a little bit more interesting, right? This time I'm going to add the whole entire background. So what do I mean by that? I'm going to download a few things because he's talking about the guy asking him like, what are you doing, correct? Let me type kitchen. So let's say they are the kitchen. Okay, kitchen. I'm going to search for kitchen. Okay, this one looks like a nice kitchen. Wow, nice modern kitchen. I'm going to save the image, and then I'm going to do orange. Concentrate. Okay, I'm going to search for that. Go to images again. Did they say never from concentrate? Oh, they don't never from concentrate. I need a concentrate one. Okay, great. Concentrate, the word here, very big. I'm going to save. Okay, great. Then after that, I'm going back to CapCut, right? So again, I'm going to add photos, add the kitchen, add the concentrate. So you can see this is the kitchen. Zoom in again, kitchen. And then this is the concentrate. Okay, so this whole entire video here, right? I'm going to put it as overlay. Remember, just I mentioned overlay. So let me put as overlay, and I'm going to. Okay, so I got the video here already as overlay, and at the same time, because I'm going to remove the background. Click remove, so the whole background is removed. You will see that here, right? They are removing the background because it takes time to actually remove the whole thing. But let me just start editing first. Okay.
Hey brother, what are you doing?
Okay, brother, what are you doing? I'm going to cut here.
Why
are you staring at the orange juice? Why? I can see my mouth going to say why. Usually I look at the visual. I can see my mouth, going to say why. Split. And then I'm going to delete this. Why are you staring? So I got pieces. First, why are you staring at the orange juice?
Why are you staring at the orange juice?
Okay. I'm going to ask this. And then the guy is going to say some... Because concentrate, right? This last part, I'm going to like show myself the face like very shocked at what he's saying. Okay, I'm going to leave this face here. Now is the time for this funny guy number 2. Okay, guy number 2.
Oh, I'm staring at the orange juice.
Okay, I'm going to split here. Before he say, oh, right, I'm going to cut, split here, delete. Okay, so I'm going to split them into pieces first.
At the orange juice.
Because, he's going to say because.
Because it says to concentrate.
Okay, right, so this is the thing, right? Okay, I'm going to delete away the rest of them. Okay, so you can see I got the first clip where the guy asks,
hey brother, what are you doing?
Oh brother, what are you doing, correct? Then I need this clip to come here.
Oh, I'm staring at
the orange juice. Okay, so this clip I'm going to hold and then I can drag it forward. Can you see? I can drag it forward. Drag all the way to here. I can even drag to a lower portion. Okay, I need to give it some space to push it up. Drag. Okay, so let me show you.
Brother, what are you doing? Oh, I'm staring at the orange juice.
Okay, I'm staring at the orange juice. Just like the orange juice picture came out. But I'm going to hide the word concentrate. The concentrate is here. Okay, so I'm going to hide the word concentrate so that people don't see that it's concentrate. I just find it's quite funny. Okay, so after that, this guy will ask. So I'm going to push the clips together.
Juice. Why are you staring at the orange juice?
Okay, and this one is supposed to be here because it says concentrate. Okay, let me show you guys how I will do it. I hope you all still can see it. And let me just make sure you guys are... Any comments here? Can Okay, I'm going to pull the whole entire orange juice. Okay, you see, this is the orange juice clip. I'm going to pull it so that it covers the whole entire length. Okay, so you can drag and drop. You just click on the... your fingers must be as nimble and as beautiful as mine. Okay, otherwise you have to do finger push-up. Okay, so let me play the whole thing.
Oh, I'm staring at the orange juice. Why are you staring at the orange juice? Because it says to...
It says to the concentrate, right? The punchline is here. So I'm going to split. I'm going to split at the punchline.
Says to...
Okay, the concentrate portion, right? I'm going to shift myself down. Okay, you see, let me show you.
Because it says to concentrate.
Okay, so there's the part, very important. This part, remember, you must add the laughing sound. Because actually this joke is not funny. If you don't add the laughing sound, you will sound like an idiot. So I'm gonna add a laughing sound at the back. This one is the most important portion of the whole entire video. Okay. Where's the laughing sound? Laugh. Okay, laugh sound. There's performance, laugh, fight, and those kind of things. So you can play around a lot of things. Okay, but don't go for the perfect one. Don't go for the perfect one.
Because it says to
Okay, the laughing starts here.
concentrate.
Very important. You see the laughing sound, the difference. So cut away. Ta-da! It's done. Can you see? Okay, then remember guys, one thing very important because people may not be able to see it. Click on text. Click on auto caption. This is my favorite function of this whole entire CapCut. Super awesome.
Hey brother, what are you doing?
Okay, so I will usually try to make the subtitles very big. Brother, what are you doing? Okay, can you see? And the good thing is this, when you change one subtitle, right, the rest of the subtitle also change. Can you see? You just need to adjust it. Okay. You just need to adjust it. Now, to make sure, like, for example, let's say you want a certain subtitle to be, let's say, a different color or anything, correct? Okay, you can click on style, and then here, there's this button called apply to auto caption. If you unclick this, right, then it doesn't apply to everything. Now if it's clicked, right, whatever you change using the caption, all the other caption will be affected. Oh, because it says to concentrate. Remember, the punchline is very important. I think you all know what I'm saying. Some people don't know how to tell jokes, you know. To concentrate, right? So you cannot show them concentrate first, You must cut away. So the front portion, you all get the whole idea because it says to concentrate. Then the concentrate because I want it to be different, right? I want it to be maybe extra big, okay? So make sure that it's not the style. I don't apply. Untick, make sure it's not apply. And I can make other color. Concentrate. Okay. It says to concentrate. You can even turn it sideways. Can turn. It says to concentrate. Can you see? You can turn the thing sideways. And then there you have it. So let me play the whole thing again.
Hey brother, what are you doing? Oh, I'm staring at the orange juice. Why are you staring at the orange juice? Because it says to concentrate.
Okay, so okay, the last part, you all talk about music, right? Let me tell you guys about music. So music, right, there are a few ways to do it. You can actually go back to audio. So okay, anytime you all go back, just click all the way back, then you will see the whole bar with no function to go back. Click on audio, you can click on sound. The sound is here. You can actually choose music. But let me tell you the best way to go for music is this. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to actually click upload. Now let me show you exactly what I do. After I click upload, right, I don't click share to TikTok or anything. Okay, I just click done. Because once I click upload, right, it will be inside the laptop already. It will be inside this what do you call it? The phone. Usually it's my phone. Then what I like to do is I like to use TikTok music because TikTok music is very trending. So I go to TikTok. Okay, let me show you. I click on plus. Then okay, TikTok here. There's this button called upload. Can you see upload? There's this button here, upload. Click on upload. Okay, it was my latest video. Okay, this is the video we just created. I'm going to choose this video.
Hey brother, what are you doing?
Select, and then click next. Okay, let me show you. So,
hey brother, what are you doing?
So for TikTok,
I'm staring at the.
I'm going to click next.
Hey brother, what are you doing? Oh, I'm staring at the orange juice.
Now for TikTok, right, of course, obviously you can like put other sound effects and things like that, but it's okay lah. There's too many things already. What I usually do is, can you see there's a music button here? Click on sound. I personally like this one now. Okay.
What are you doing? Oh, I'm staring.
This one. Okay, let me click. Once I click on here, right.
Oh, I'm staring.
Click on here. There's this thing called volume. I can make the music softer or louder. This is the music volume. This is my original video.
Brother, what are you doing? Oh, I'm staring at the orange juice.
Okay, so once done, after that you can click next. Then you can click post. Okay, for me, I'll just go and edit a bit more before I post. But you'll get the idea. I just this is private so I can just post it. Yeah.
Hey brother, what are you doing?
Okay, done.
Staring at the orange juice. Why?
Can the words bounce out or animate? Actually, can do a lot of things. There's so many things until I think there's no need to learn everything. Okay, so if you're interested to find out more, you're going to download this software, which is not really my wish. Okay, you'll see. Let me show you guys this. You can do a lot of things. There's this thing called stickers. Let me just show you. So the stickers, you can even you can play around with a lot of things. The heart can go bounce. There's so many things to do which I feel that the more, okay, I'm going to suggest all of us start simple first, okay? Start simple first, okay? So, okay, this particular tutorial, right, is to show you guys how to create video, and it is now very simple. You can just go to TikTok and then just test something lah. My friends, I just share with you all my journey. And I'm going to share this pretty openly because we are all creators ma. I want to tell you guys exactly what is happening behind the scene and stuff like that. Okay. By the way, go to TikTok and then go and follow me also. My name is called Create with Sean Wei lah. Okay. Y'all can see, right? So I actually learned a lot of things. Y'all can see me started doing like 3rd of September, 4th of September. So it's I want to do 1 month, one video every day at least. And the reason why I want to do a video, right? My mentality is not that I want to become famous. It's because I want to actually learn how to do it. And I feel that give me 1 month to test it out, you'll be okay lah. So I can share with you like sometimes I share with you all this particular video lah that I recorded for myself to tell you guys also lah. If let's say I have a chance, okay? Let me show you this video. Hi creators, today is 19th of September, Talk Like a Pirate Day. Now the reason why I'm recording this video is because it's on a Sunday. I just finished a 3 days class. I feel really tired, and when I was like preparing this particular video, I didn't really feel very good. I feel like the jokes were pretty lame and I didn't feel that it's going to be a good video. But you know what? I'm going to tell myself that since I commit myself to doing a video a day for at least 30 days, I'll just do it. It doesn't matter how I feel. It is to follow the plan. So I'm curious to see how this video turned out. I didn't put in 100% or 200% effort, but I just did my best and I just do it. So this is a short video for all of you guys. Yeah, so it's a video for myself to remind myself. Sometimes don't need to be perfect. And then really I posted this video yesterday. It is called, this is 19th of September. It's the Talk Like a Pirate Day. There's only 91 views, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. Most important is I stick to the plan and I get better each time, okay? So I do hope that you're also get inspired by this. I just want to share with you guys how I feel. And you realize that my videos also improve along the way. Initially, I don't even know how to make a thumbnail. Can you see? No thumbnail, nothing one. Then I begin to make thumbnail, and then I begin to make more professional thumbnail. And then I began to realize, the thumbnail, right? I realized, some of the other creators, right? They got a white outline one. Then I began to do white outline. So start to improve bit by bit. Then you see, you start to actually improve. And most importantly, I think is to enjoy the journey. Okay, so that's what I want to encourage you guys to do, to enjoy the journey. Okay, so I do hope that you guys have benefited a lot from this session. Now, the challenge for all of you guys, since you all benefit, right? In our creators group, I do hope you all are inside the creators group. Let me just show you guys. If you're not in the creators group, please join the creators group. We will be okay. The reason why we have this creators group, let me explain. Is because we have been doing a lot of things about investing and stuff like that. Then we want to separate this so that it doesn't become too messy. Because some of you are not really interested in creating or like creating content, becoming a content creator. Some of you are more interested in investing. So we split them both. So for those who are interested in creators group, right, come and join this group. The link is Creators COC. Okay, Creators COC. Later I'll just post inside all the posting that you are at. So join the group, and in this group, we are going to actually give you guys more ideas on how to create things, how to find hot trends, and we are going to have challenge also. So we are also actually coming out with a software, just to share with you guys. One thing that we are doing, right, is this software called Amplify. Now, this Amplify, right, what happens is after you create one video, we are going to help you connect your video into different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. One click of a button, they help you like post everywhere with the correct format, and then they help you draw the data back. This is something that we are developing because we want to keep improving. Okay, so I do hope that you guys will create together with us, and start creating your videos. I'm going to post inside this creators group, okay, to post your video, okay? Post your video. So no matter you're doing on TikTok or wherever, right, just post there, and then we just encourage one another lah. Okay, Ken? So I'm going to post my TikTok link here lah. You all should come and come and support me also. Listen to me tell lame jokes every day. One of my friend, after see me tell so many lame jokes, stop friending me. Say, cannot take it every day, too cold already. Okay? Looks like Korean oppa. Okay? So I do hope that you have enjoyed yourself tonight. I'll be seeing you guys every week, and then let's continue to create together. Okay, Ken?